How to add an endpoint URL in your preferred webhook. Once you have logged into your MFB Donate account, navigate to Manage Settings from the menu. Click on Administration. Select the option to set the endpoint URL. Copy the webhook URL of the platform and service where you want receive the data. Paste the endpoint URL you previously copied. Save your changes. Verify if the endpoint URL is functioning correctly by making a sample transaction. Navigate to create or edit from the menu. Click on Multiple Donation box. Proceed to the checkout page to make a sample transaction. Go to the donation from the menu to verify if the transaction was successful. If the details match, you've successfully integrated the CRM platform webhook in MFB Donate. You shall be able to edit or remove the data, ensuring that only the essential information is retained. Thank you for watching.